Stepping into Tianjin Ostrich Ink Company Limited, one is greeted by the scent of ink. Founded in 1935 and recognized as a China time-honored brand in 2006, the company is reviving its nearly 90-year-old brand with its colored inks. Its products feature traditional Chinese elements, vibrant ink sacs, and customized inks for overseas customers.
我们这款产品呢，是我们围绕我们中国传统色做的这么一个礼盒的开发。这礼盒首先呢，就是传统的这样的一个牡丹花这样的一个造型，是一个这个工笔画的入门套装。这是我们在2022年的大概8月份上市的一款产品吧。在目前我们订了6000盒。然后已经卖了去5000多盒了。
Like many other ink producers, the company was hit hard by the rise of neutral pens, auto pens, and internet development over the past 2 decades, but it has managed to bounce back these years through restructuring, R&D, innovation, and expanding its sales channels to reach younger consumers.
我们彩色墨水，近年来发展的很快。由于当初的10几个颜色，现在发展出很多类型的不同的颜色，要根据市场不同的变化、不同的需求，然后再加快我们这个更新创新的一个脚步。
Relying on its traditions, the brand has boosted innovation and research, and also aims for foreign markets.
我们是从去年下半年正式开始做联合国订单，然后跟联合国那边做了大概是170多万人民币，然后俄罗斯那边呢做了有100多万的订单，然后再加上像东京啊，还有纽约那边一些销售的话，加一块300多万吧。
Thanks to an open mindset, the company's turnover rose by 29% this year. A new automated ink sac production workshop will be put into use soon. Chan shares priorities for the company's next steps.
第一个是我们会加大对于学生市场的投入，我们明年会做一些新的 IP 的合作，未来还会在文创市场加大投入。第3块呢，其实我觉得是我们的出口，我觉得未来的话也是一个不容小觑的一个市场。